Ring Doorbell offline after changing your Wi-Fi can stop alerts, live view, and motion notifications fast. In this video, I will show you how to change the Wi-Fi on your Ring Doorbell after a new router, new password, new network name, or internet provider change. I'll also cover common connection problems and the simple fixes you can do at home to get your Ring Doorbell back online. Before starting the setup, keep your phone close to the Ring Doorbell so the app can detect it properly. Make sure your phone is already connected to the new Wi-Fi network you want to use. Also, stay within your router range during the setup process so the connection stays stable. Now, open the Ring app on your phone, tap the menu icon, then go to Devices. From there, select your Ring Doorbell so you can access its settings. Once you're inside the device settings, open Device Health. Here you can see the current network details. Tap Change Wi-Fi Network to begin switching to a new connection. If you do not see that option, tap Reconnect to Wi-Fi instead. When the app asks you to move closer, go near the doorbell. Then press the Setup button or Orange button, depending on your model. Wait until you see the spinning white light, because that means the device is ready for setup mode. After that, the app will ask you to choose a network. If your Wi-Fi name does not appear, tap Show All Networks. Select the correct Wi-Fi name, enter the password carefully, and then tap Continue. Now give the setup a moment to finish. Once it is done, go back to the app and check if the device shows online. You can also test live view and alerts to confirm everything is working. If your Wi-Fi network does not show in the list, refresh the network list first, then tap Show All Networks and check again. If needed, move the router and your phone closer to the doorbell and retry. If the Ring Doorbell does not connect after entering the password, type the password again carefully. A small mistake can stop the connection. If it still fails, restart your phone and repeat the setup process. If the Ring setup Wi-Fi does not appear, press the setup button again until the white light starts spinning. Wait a few seconds, then scan the Wi-Fi list again. If needed, try using another phone. If the doorbell shows offline after changing your router, open the app and use Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Then run the setup again using the new network details. If you're using a dual band router, some Ring models connect better on 2.4 GHz. During setup, try selecting the 2.4 GHz network instead. If you have more than one Ring device, each one usually needs to be updated separately. Repeat the same process one by one for every device. That's it for this video on how to change the Wi-Fi on your Ring Doorbell. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you get your Ring Doorbell back online and working properly again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions, or did this method work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.